Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to make a great post in Canva. Now, if you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, let's go to Canva first. Okay, now go over here on this, just click on these three dots, more, and type on the search bar whatever format you want. For example, I want to create a great post for my Instagram. Going to select this one, Instagram post 4:5. Okay, so just go on the left side, click on elements and type on the search bar grid. Click on see all grids, and from here select the desired grid you want for your post. I'm going with this one. Okay, now just go over here on uploads and upload the picture by clicking over here on upload files. Upload the picture and just hold the picture with your mouse like this and drag it like this to the frame. As you can see, that's how you can create a great post in Canva. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.